Good morning to all my awesome friends. You know what time it is. It's RoseMary's You Rock Art. And you know how we always join in on every Wednesday. Color with us. You Rock Art. Oh my gosh, she is an awesome channel. Please go check her out and please check out the playlist. A lot of awesome people join in every week. Can't wait to share what I did. I only had time to do one this week, and it took very long time to do it. It was very detailed, so I only could do one. This is the very first page in this book that I have completed. There's a lot of things that I wish I had done a little different, but it's the first one of many that I will be doing, and we learn from our mistakes what we feel would have made it better. I felt like I had too much blue in this. I should have painted a different color for her dress than I did, and maybe found some different gel pens for the clouds. I was pretty happy how the back sky looked considering everything. Just something a little different. But even things that we are not happy with do teach us something. It's always a learning curve, and since I've only been coloring a very short amount of time, I feel like I have learned a lot, and I'm still learning how to blend better and do more. The hair turned out pretty good on my fairy, and the clothes look pretty good too, considering everything. Just wish I'd use a different color than blue. And of course, our beautiful frog prints here with the fairy. I thought that turned out pretty good too. I probably should have used a different color than blue for the flowers. That was the only thing that I think could have been better, because we had the blue clouds and we had the blue water, and it was just too much blue and the blue dress. But next time I will try to pick better colors for my drawings. Overall, I thought it turned out pretty good. Let me know what you thought and what you think maybe would be a better choice. I'm using gel pens, and sometimes I don't think they always blend the way I'd like. But we're doing pretty good. Everything is a learning curve, and I think I've learned a lot. I thought the orange flowers turned out pretty nice, and the grass I thought turned out pretty good too. And I was pretty happy with the way I did the sky. So, let me know what you thought. Like I said, Grandma's still learning, and still I have a lot more to do. I'd like to thank all of you that keep stopping by and cheering me on and giving me moral support. Hugs and kisses from Grandma Sandy and Debbie. Hugs and kisses to all of you, and thank you for all your support. Sorry I could only get one done this week. This one took me a couple of days to color. I was really surprised how hard it was to do, and all the detail work too. But I think it turned out pretty good when we were done. For my first fairy coloring.